Hello everyone, welcome back to Kreis. Hope you are doing good. So today I'm here with this. This is the 2011 Toyota Innova with a Type 4 facelift kit. Okay, so let's start with the engine bay first. There we go. That is the engine of this car. Okay. So in the front you get this, a completely halogen setup headlight with halogen indicators and halogen park lamp. You get a fog lamp slot. You get a mustache type aerodynamic treatment, but it's fake, like it's just there. And then you get a really big grille with a big Toyota logo in the center. And you get this, the hood with those washer fluid spray thing there, whatever. Anyways, on the side you get this. These are 205 65 or 15 inch wheels. Yes, steel wheels. Though this car has a Type 4 kit, it is still a G variant 2011 Toyota Innova. Coming to the side, this car has a total length of 4.7 meters and a wheelbase of 2.7 meters. And on the sides, you get a intercooler badge over there and the indicators placed over there. This is actually a long car, and yeah, I don't think I have to explain Innova to anyone, because this is a very common car and you see this everywhere, mostly in the commercial segment, because this is a commercial one. Anyways, you have a really long chrome bar with Innova written on it that comes with the Type 4 kit, 2.5G, the variant of the car. You get a 300-liter boot, which is pretty small, but still it's usable. And these seats can be folded forward. Yes, these can be folded forward and hung up. Yes, you can hang them up there. Then you can increase the boot carrying capacity. Okay, I'll put that up later. So yeah, let's get inside the car. So you get this. This is a complete 7-seater vehicle. You have 2 captain seats in the center, and both of these seats are really comfortable. You get really good thigh support, really good leg room, really good headroom, and you get these handrests separately for both passengers. Yes, and yeah, that's how you'd look sitting in here. Let's go to the rear seat. Innova has one of the best rear seat comforts. If you can see, once I sit over here, I still have really good headroom. I still have adequate thigh support, not really, but yeah, comfortable. See, adequate. And then I have adequate leg room as well. These seats can be reclined. Yes, even the last row gets recline function, and even the last row passengers get a light of their own and AC vents. Yes, also you get one cup holder on that side, and okay, bottle holders. Okay, 2 bottle holders over here, 1 bottle holder over there. You get proper seat belts even for the last row passengers, and you get proper, what do you say, headrest. Yes, and in the middle row you get one more thing, that is this, a cup holder in the center, and you get a bottle holder over here, and you get power windows, of course, and then a magazine holder or a storage space in the door, and you get magazine holders behind the seats over here. And yeah, and you get rear AC controls over here and 2 AC vents over here. That's about the rear. Let's get to the front. And also, wait, that is the dashboard design of a 2011 Toyota Innova. Coming to the front of the car, this is how the driver door looks like. You get very basic required functions. That's all, nothing more in this car. You get 4 power window controls, you get lock and unlock feature, you get the windows lock switch, that's it. And the storage space over there with a bottle holder. And this car gets a 4 speaker system, and that's about it. And you get 3 pedals, chick chick chick. And then you get this, the 5-speed manual gearbox transmission lever. Yeah, anyways. And then you get a manual handbrake, a little bit of storage over here. You get a 12-volt charging socket over there, 2 basically. And then you get the rear defoggers. And then you have the AC adjustment controls over here, manual AC, yes. And then the AC button over here. And then you get this, which is, yeah, a DAPIC infotainment system. And then you get a clock over here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there is the clock. Okay. And then you get a glove box over there, and you get a glove box over here, storage space basically. And then you get what do we say, sun visor with a ticket holder. You get a sunglass holder, you get 2 lights in the front, and you get another sun visor. That's it, no mirror, nothing of that sort. And then you get grab handles. That's it, that's about it. You get a light placement over here. Okay, let's get to the instrument console. Yeah, you guys can see that now. So you get this 3 trip adjustments, that's it. This car has done 7,03,360 kilometers. And you get all the light functions on there. Just a minute, I can show that to you guys. Yeah, all the light functions. And then the fuel and temperature gauge over here with the RPM gauge over there. And you get a very normal 3-spoke steering wheel. And you get the, what do we say, wiper controls over here, and the indicator and headlight controls over here. Headlight levers and the rear view mirror controls over here. So if you want, yeah, wait a minute, yes, that can be adjusted electrically. Take this out for a drive and see how good a Toyota Innova drives. Okay, so I've set you guys over there. Let's start driving. Yeah. Let's just get on the AC. Oh, the AC does have a little bit of noise, but yeah, it's fine. So this car comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine that produces 102 horsepower. Yes, that's it, 102 horsepower from a diesel engine. But it has 200 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM, and yeah, that is pretty much adequate. The suspension is really good. This car has really good comfort while going on potholes. The horn is also good. Well, that's an aftermarket horn, but yeah. This car gets a 5-speed manual transmission, and the gears are actually really fun to slot in and drive. You know, it's really engaging. The clutch is very soft, not at all a heavy clutch. The brakes are also really responsive. The steering is something that we have to talk about. A very precise steering. Okay, not a very precise steering. There is a amount of lag. but still, really gets the feel from the road onto the wheels, onto the steering wheel. And look at that, guys, look at that. All of those potholes was really just managed so well. You can actually hear a lot of the engine inside the cabin, but it's worth it. I love the sound of this car. Okay. This car is actually really engaging to drive. I love this car. Okay, so this car returns a mileage close to 9 to 10 km per liter. I mean, the company claims what, 11 kilometers. So yeah. So if you guys did like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.